You're watching the Weiss channel. All right, today I'm going to talk to you about mid-segments. Mid-segments, okay? First of all, I'm going to ask you to recall that corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. For example, angle 4 is congruent to angle 8. But that means also, for example, 1 is equal to 5. 3 is equal to 7. 2 is equal to 6. Corresponding angles are congruent. We're going to need that in a minute. All right. Over here, all right, if AB is a midsegment of triangle ECD, if AB is a midsegment, then AB is parallel to CD. All right. Midsegments are parallel to the base segments. CD is twice AB. 2 times AB equals CD, or half of CD equals AB. Okay? So for example, what's the measure of x here? 14, 2 times 7. What's the measure of x here? 11, half of 22. What's the measure of x here? 38, 2 times 19. Okay? Problems in delta math will look like this, okay? If what you need to do, if I want to find the length of JL, which is this right here, okay? You need to ignore this 5 and this 6. Look at the 2 lines that are parallel. Here's 7, so what's JL? 14. Done. Okay. What's the length of HI? Well, this guy here is 4, double it, 8, right? You might also have to go the other way around, all right? What is the length of LM? This piece right here. Well, I'm going to use this one. What's half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. What's the length of UV? UV here. It's going to be half of 10, right? Half of 10 is 5. Okay. Over here, find the perimeter of triangle DEF. That's this right here. All right. These green numbers will not be there for you. But how do you figure out what FD is? You take half of 10. Half of 10 is 5. That's where the 5 comes from. What's half of 8? Half of 8 is 4, which is where that comes from. What's half of 6? Half of 6 is 3, which is where that 3 comes from. Add 5 plus 4 plus 3, and you get 12. You could also have a problem where it gives you these 3 numbers and not these 3 numbers. So what would you do? You would double these numbers to get these numbers if you wanted to find the perimeter of ABC, right? Okay. Here, find the measure of angle TVW. How do you find TVW? Put your cursor on T, go to V, go to W. T, V, W, T, V, W, T, V, W. Does it make sense that TVW is this angle here with the asterisk? Okay. Now I'm going to remind you, back over here, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. Okay. That being said, what angle corresponds with this angle here? Doesn't this one, this 40-degree angle, corresponds with this angle? These are corresponding angles. So angle TVW equals 40. Okay. LM equals 9x minus 17. IJ equals 66 minus 7x. What's the measure of LM? Okay. So first of all, don't forget that this guy is twice this guy. So 2 times LM equals IJ, right? 2 times LM equals IJ. Okay, so 2 times 9x minus 17 equals 66 minus 7x. I'm going to add 34 to both sides. While I'm at it, I'm going to add 7x to both sides. I get 25x equals 100, x equals 4. So LM equals 9x minus 17, or 9 times 4 minus 17, which is 19. You've been watching the Weiss channel.